throughout the workshop, there will be a few people who would like to code along with me, right? So for those people, we have quickly hacked around a solution which we like to call the doc diff, right? And this is very useful for people who like to code along, but are a lot of times I have seen this problem in workshops that people make a lot of typos, and just because of that, their code does not work, and it becomes very hard for the tech support team also to debug their code if they're having a problem. So what you can do is I have uploaded all the finished code of both the front end and the back end in this docdiff app. And let's say I'm working on the front end, I'm working on the app.js file. You can see the whole complete code on the left. And let's say you wrote some code, but it's not exactly matching. You can paste it here and see. Let's say I misspell HOC with HOD, right? So you will see this red line and green line to mark the difference between your code and my code, right? You guys understood the point for this app, right? And that is one of the things that we have reinstated for your convenience at uh, at this workshop. And another thing, I will be coding the backend for this app, and that requires MongoDB. And MongoDB is either it has to be installed on your device or it has to be hosted in the cloud. And I have found personally that it's very hard to install MongoDB sometimes. So to help you in that, we have already created a lot of free cloud deployments of MongoDB for today, and you can go and get your own free MongoDB key at by clicking at this randomizer, and you have to put your college roll number or ID. Let's say mine is my 19BC0932, and I submit. This is my free MongoDB URI, and I can just copy it and keep it safe with me. Okay, so you guys, you can go and get this free key. It is valid for today only. I guess tomorrow we will revoke all of them because it is paid right at the end of the day. So we won't be keeping them active. We will revoke these keys. But these are the two things that we have created for your convenience today, just so that you don't have to, go and get those keys on your own, because sometimes it's uh, very hard to get it on your own at first. And if we have extra time at the end of this workshop, I will teach you how to actually get a key of your own, or get a separate hosting account. I'll teach you all that.